Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? Well, tonight we're going to be making some fried chicken. It's going to be buttermilk fried chicken. And what I'm doing right now, I have chicken thighs soaking in buttermilk. They've been marinating and soaking in that for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Here I have a mixture of flour, panko breadcrumbs, some seasoned salt, regular salt and pepper, and a little garlic powder. And what I'm going to do is just fold that in and make sure that's mixed up nice. So when we bread our chicken, every piece gets a little bit of everything. And I might just do a little bit more pepper in there. I just like to see the specks in there. Give it a nice flavor. Okay. Get that nice and mixed around. Now we're going to be doing this in our air fryer today. So for dinner tonight is broccoli and fried chicken. So once your chicken has been marinating and soaking in your buttermilk for a little while, I'm going to take it, and you're going to straight roll it around in the breadcrumbs or in the flour mixture. Make sure you get all over it. Just roll it around in there really good. We're going to put it in our air fryer. Now remember what I told you the first time we were using the air fryer. Whenever you put stuff in there, do not put it so close together that you cannot see the bottom rack. The way the air fryer works, it has to have air circulation, airflow. So if you cover up the bottom rack, you're not going to get enough airflow around it and it won't cook. Okay, sorry, the last one. Got enough room for 4, so we're going to go ahead and cook 3, and I'll do that last one a little bit later. Okay, put that right in there, and that's what we're looking at. You see that? So we got those 3 pieces of chicken in there. I'm going to put it in our air fryer, turn it on. Air fry, it'll be at 390, oop, wrong way, for 25 minutes. And there we go. It's going to preheat for 24 seconds and then start cooking. I'm going to let this get closer to done before we start the broccoli, so I'm going to do a little cleanup. Be right back with you guys. We still got some time to go on the air fryer, but I thought about what I'm going to do with this last piece of chicken. I'm going to go ahead and do a head-to-head air fryer versus my toaster oven. So let's see how it goes. Let me go ahead and bread this one up and get it in the toaster oven. Just out of curiosity, I figured it'd be a fun thing to do. What do you guys think? Me too. Throw this in the toaster oven real quick. All right, so this is you guys can legitimately see it's going in the toaster oven. Right in there. Right on the rack. We got it 390, gonna bake for 25 minutes. You guys don't need to see my laundry room. All right. There we go. Well, when we come back, everything will be cleaned up and we'll see which one comes out better, or if they come out pretty much the same. All right, see you guys in a bit. Fried chicken's almost ready. I had taken the broccoli and just cut it up and put a little bit of chicken stock in the pot here, and a little bit of lemon pepper. Just letting it simmer, get that nice and cooked. And I am really concerned about this little guy in the toaster oven. He doesn't seem to be browning up very much, so we'll see how it goes in about 20 seconds. Stay tuned. Okay, let's see what we have here. Woo! Take a look at that. Came right out of there. Okay, take a nice look. Came out nice and crispy, browned, really nice. Take a look inside. Since these are boneless, make sure it's done. It looks plenty hot. Take a look at that. Came out perfect. And we get our broccoli that's been simmering over here. There you are. My lemon pepper broccoli. Sit right up there. We're going to go ahead and take these two pieces and I'm going to set it aside for my lunch tomorrow. Now, should we take a look at what's going on in the toaster oven? Doesn't look too good. That's what we got. Still not quite. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the air fryer for a few minutes. See if we can rejuvenate it. There we go. Turn power on. Air fry 390. We're only going to go for 8 minutes. See how it goes from there. See you guys back in a minute. Oh, I usually don't let you guys watch me eat or anything, but this is really good. And so simple. You really gotta try it. We got 3 more minutes, and we're gonna check on that other piece of chicken. See you then. Okay. Our Ninja cooker just ended. Timer just shut off. Let it do its little shut down. We'll see how that piece came out. There we go. Take a look at that. Crisp it nice, crisp it right up. Look at that. That looked good. All right. I'm going to put that on the plate with the rest. I'm going to wash that in a minute, but that's it. Your buttermilk fried chicken in the air fryer. It is really, really good. Guys, give it a shot. Like I always say, get in the kitchen, experiment, play around with it. Do something good for yourself. Learn a skill. And I know kids coming up, growing up today is like, oh, if it doesn't come in a box with microwave instructions, I don't know how. You figure it out. Just get out there and do it. Just cook. All right? You guys take it easy. See you next time.